Magic mail. Our upcoming trip is getting so close.
Just a little texie dust.
Alrighty, let's see what Walt Disney World has sent us for our trip. So exciting when you get your magical extras in the mail. Oh, and here they are. Our little card for our magical extras. If you don't know what that is, you get free mini golf when you book a trip through Walt Disney World. And I booked mine at a Good Neighbor Hotel on Hotel Plaza Boulevard. So we still get our little vouchers for miniature golf, the ESPN Wide World of Sports, and shopping and dining discounts. So always read everything up when you're staying at a Walt Disney World Resort Hotel or at Hotel Plaza Boulevard, because look at that. You get the magical extras in the mail. And one of the really cool parts, you get luggage tags. And every year they're different. This year we've got Daisy and Donald. And they've been Mickey and Minnie for a long time, so I'm kind of excited. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Daisy and Donald. And our magical extras. It makes the trip so special. I can't wait. And remember to keep your magical extras card with you if you want to use any of these benefits. They will ask to see it. And here's all the experiences and places where you can shop and dine and enjoy extra savings. And there's all the fine print on your little magical extras. Aren't they adorable? I just love the new luggage tags.
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!